years to do the design. Soil testing.
Wow.
Consulting company was an English firm.
Okay.
Design sitting now. You sign a contract with the contract.
You signed contract.
Yes.
To building a new KME assembly
edifice.
block.
It has an amphitheater and a theater to host 5,000 people.
You don't mean
beautiful edifice.
Akoma FM.
Opposite KME.
Maybe almost parky cars.
Yes. That is the design. We have. It's so beautiful. You should see that.
And for an anchor sponsor.
And your sponsorship, it was a plan.
Okay.
And it was an ideal arrangement. Because na yesi Kejetia no. Now we don't have enough revenue coming in.
Okay.
So after we going through the procurement procedure, we went to the National Tender Board for you call National Tender Board ko ye hu bibia. Na you any contractor net say. What we do is say your revenue no ebem no esa. And what we will do with you say you have to pre-finance with $1.5 million to start the edifice.
Okay. Contractor no.
Yes.
Okay.
Not contractor. The contractor built.
The contractor now about
yes. From High Home.
Oh, okay. A Chinese company.
A Chinese company.
Okay.
Into Mumum pre-finance it with about $1.5 million.
Okay.
Into Mumba starting number do maybe na ye jomna yes you see kaya den. The cash flow na from today so ye tuamu nanti within 3 years.
Akoma FM.
Agreement was done. Everything was done.
So it was a 3-year project.
It is a 3-year project to finish. Okay, we will have every offices there. We will host just a big place.
Wow.
And it was something that Kumasi would have been,
proud of.
Beautiful edifice. It's a beautiful edifice.
I would assembly approve at the general meeting of the assembly.
Yeah,
general assembly.
Oh, right. Go and check. It's there.
Wow.
We got approval. Everything was signed off.
Akoma FM.
But sir, Kejetia and Kamudi Nisika Bay. I mean, for almost 2 years in the traders in the crowd in on dues because of light, some acquire problem. What went into say Mama 1 meter for the entire A?
No.
New Kejetia.
You see, it looks like
because normally the phone card they are not paying their bills again.
You see, the whole thing is it's a one general meter and sub meters for or every shop will be able to meter.
There before now, yes,
no, yes, that is why the mistake is there. Me from the concept that I knew, every shop will get your meter.
Okay.
So you pay it off. When you shop, can you remember? So areas like common areas where you don't need somebody's meter, it is shared. Which is responsibility of KMA. It is all built in the cash flow systems.
And now at what point in time and Kamudi meters in the Beba? Because at the time almost in UAE, there's only one bulk meter.
No. I remember it very well. It is something very easy to be done, isn't it? It's just meters into every shop. Into Utiauka, even there was a system where so shop the shop can be locked
FM
automatically.
How many shops? So memory server writer and a womb. Ibn said 7,000. Ibn said 8,000. Ibn said 9,000.
I didn't want to sit here to say anything that would commit and they say Kojobons to say. I want to refer to files
to documents.
I don't want to say anything because a bit matter, I want to be on paper.
And not car park consideration because one of the biggest idea I bash like why edifice why I'm making provision for car park.
Anybody who says that,
the regional minister will describe it as a dime for fair.
No, it's a fallacy. Secretary Bronica's a fallacy, and you're no correct. The whole Kejetia, Mamincho concept was a bigger lorry park and a facility for a lorry park. That is why that place was built. The other side, the second market is purely for markets. Right? So the concept was that Ubedi Jevia, no see from no Afoka.
Now for car no hefa.
Asie Eko.
Now say from 150 cars per house is here.
It's not true. go back to the drawing board.
It doesn't mean form no or one would modify another time.
Oh, they have, and I wasn't in the office.
Akoma FM.
We were supposed to have taken 1,500 cars at a point.
Ewo from home. Until form ni na Kenya shop.
In your shops, it's car park, so that you can go out and come in.
Rock Jobons, we are sure.
No, sir.
Because the thing is now the problem is only 150 cars and no loading point keke. And the bashing is that at the time I woke up, you watched on to have an edifice like this with 150 car park.
They can call any blame. It's on paper. The D1 concept, the contractors are still in town. I mean, you can say whatever.
Akoma FM.
Over 1,000 cars. Nananka be fan or form winna.
Just in and out.
In and out.
Yes.
Yeah.
You can rotate so that omujina ho na say how you ma.
Yeah.
Then come. That is for my knowing. That is what I knew.
What you are telling me this morning is a form now was supposed to have been car park.
It should have been a car park.
Wow. What call a order? We free assembly.
And I'm catching. I'm not in office.
But say once.
No, you see, 87.9. People get it wrong.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, some time ago, President Kufuor, it take you over now.
Yeah.
And a Rollins score
Akoma FM.
President Kufuor and everybody was not very happy. Everybody blamed that President Rollins didn't do well.
No, or a military.
Yes.
Or a military person.
Yeah, but he's passed. No, we in Juma. It's here then I mean, me call Kejetia say me ko Juma me yeah, we need office bill. What did they mean sure no? And those are the things that you cannot do. That's it. We were in the beginning of this program. We spoke about this.
Yeah.
And we said, say, well, Juma we are no be so aba anything. And so that is it.
I see.
Yes.
I'm saying for Oba Spaghetti say ena mwase nkwala no ano papa yi apebia no ama wo simple wo madidi wo ho ato wo